trains and planes. Me, you, and the creative team. And our best songs, fearless of horizons, fearless of heights, fearless of the abyss. Oh, for better future life, a sacred state of optimism. Caged world, still thinking wrongly, suffering from the influence of darkness. In putting first the illusion of having money, of getting money, of fighting for money, of transgressing and dying for money, defying the power of money, forgetting that it is knowledge that opens the doors to its riches, that opens the doors to its riches. And planes. Me, you, and the creative team. And our best songs with the goal of changing it peace. The caged world, still thinking wrongly, suffering from the influence of darkness. In it first, and I wouldn't fight the illusion, getting money, or fighting for money, of transgressing and dying for money, defying the power of money. And our best songs with the goal of change.